Are you a Richland School District 1 parent or student? Stay tuned to learn about Hayward Career and Technology Center. Mechatronics technology is an evolving manufacturing field that teaches mechanical instrumentation, electronics, robotics, automation, computer components, and control systems. Students who like to work with their hands as well as their minds will enjoy this course. This field changes daily with rapid improvements in technology and computer systems. Students may receive certification through the Manufacturing Skills Standards Council. Welding provides opportunities for students who are interested in the manufacturing cluster. Students learn to plan, lay out, cut, and assemble welding products while focusing on safety, tools, and projects. Students develop skills in electric arc welding, gas cutting, TIG welding, and MIG welding, and learn about fluxes, electrodes, metal identification, and welding symbols. Students have an opportunity to take the Certified Welder examination. So, if you like working with your hands, or if you like working with people, Hayward has something for you. Don't hesitate to contact your school counseling office to sign up. Visit our website at hayward.richland1.org for more information.